Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. I will put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. If you click on that link, it'll take you over to our website where you can see the price on this unit. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS. All right, folks, and now I'm going to take you through the inside of this Pleasureway Excel TS. As always, I will start at the front, make my way towards the rear of the coach, and then we'll come back to the front. What I'm going to try to accomplish is to get you a couple different angles of the inside of this RV so you can get a feel for the overall space as well as the overall condition on the inside of this unit. Both of the front chairs, the upholstery is still in very good condition. We are a small family-owned dealership. My father started this in 1976. If you come out here, you will not get any high-pressure sales. You can spend 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 hours, or the entire day if you'd like, during our normal operating hours from 8:30 to 5 through the week, and 9 to noon on Saturday. If you'd like myself or my brother Luke to kind of guide you through the RVs, we would be more than happy to do so. But if you are the type that would prefer to look by yourselves for a while, we're more than happy to let you do that so you can get a feel for these RVs. You can take a nap, lounge back if you'd like, see what the inside of these are all about, what feels comfortable to you, what feels right to you. We want you to be happy with your purchase. So getting back into the details on this one, over top of the rear or the side entry door, the passenger door, we have our control center. We're going to turn our water pump on here. Got our levels gauges, Onan 2800 generator with 284 hours. Hot water heater switch, CO2 detector. The generator, as I will explain on the outside of this outside tour of this video, that has been replaced at some point based on what the generator looks like. It is the newer model. It's not the original model that would have been in this coach. So the generator has been replaced sometime during the life of this unit. Down bottom here, we have your three-way refrigerator. That will run on 12-volt electricity, 110-volt electricity, or propane gas. The brown vent over there, that is where your propane furnace is. We have a single basin kitchen sink with a cutting board on top. That gives you a little extra counter space when needed. 2-burner cooktop. Got the stainless backsplash around the cooktop there, makes cleanup a breeze. Pulling a 180 on you. Directly across from the side entry door, we have a microwave. Below that, we've got either you can use that as a pantry or as a wardrobe. These Excel TS floor plan Pleasureway in general, these seem to be a little more popular for us than the Road Treks. One of the main reasons is that you have more of a dedicated restroom. You're not showering in the aisle like you are in the Road Treks, which a lot of people seem to like these Pleasureways a little better for that single reason alone. You're going to stand, you got your shower head and stuff there. You're going to stand right here, or you can sit while you take the shower. But all that water is confined into this closet. You're not showering in the aisleway like the Pleasure or the Road Treks. Maple cabinetry all the way throughout this, vinyl flooring from the front to the back. This does have the power sofa bed. We hold the button and the sofa is going to run down into the bed position. We can also use a board that should be in here or one of the tables to span this gap. You would then use the back cushions, place one here, the other one there, and make the bed even larger than what it is just by the sofa. Power button there. Sofa runs right down into a bed. Here you can see a little better what I'm talking about. If you fill this in, you've got one large bed where you can sleep. The way that it's set up right now, you can use twin beds. You each can sleep here and here. If you fill this in, you can do the same and sleep this way. If you fill it in, you can sleep 1, 2, potentially 3 people back here if you really wanted to, if you really liked each other and really wanted to get some cuddling in. Hold the button, the sofa runs right back up. Taking a peek up top here, we have a rooftop air conditioner. Thermostat for a propane furnace. Got storage compartments all the way around the headspace up here. Back sofa fabric, all is in very good condition.
What is at the end of everything? The letter G.
Pardon the bumpiness here. I'm trying to slide around so we can look the other direction. We've got a 15-inch Samsung flat screen TV with a DVD player directly above that. Fantastic fan on the ceiling. Crank for the TV antenna. This one has 97,000 miles on it. It is a 2004. Somebody has definitely taken care of this one. For the miles and the age, I don't see, other than some normal wear and tear a few places. Everything is in really nice condition in this coach. In my opinion, taking into consideration the age, the miles, what should be considered normal wear and tear, I'd rate this unit at an 8.5 to a 9. It does have 97,000 miles on it, like I said, but it does not really show that. Somebody is definitely taking care of this unit. We do have carpet in the cabin up here. Both front seats still in very good shape. Ford E350 chassis, Triton 5.4 liter V8. All loaded up. Again, like I said, very nice, clean unit. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976. All right, folks, I'm going to run around the outside of this Pleasureway Excel TS with you. We are 20.5 feet from bumper to bumper. It had new Michelin tires put on it in 2018. We have an 11-foot awning. It sits on the Ford E350 chassis. Does have the Triton 5.4 liter V8 engine. That vent and that vent are for the refrigerator. We have our coach battery. Vent for the propane furnace. Pretty good sized storage compartment on the passenger's rear corner. This one does not have a tow package. I repeat, it does not have a tow package. We do have a ladder on the back door if you'd like to get up onto the roof. Coming around to the driver's rear corner, we're going to fill our onboard water tank, fresh water tank there. Vent and access to our propane water heater. Black cord is a shore power cord. Got some cable TV connections back there, or cables, as well as a freshwater hose, sewer hose storage, exterior shower, gasoline tank fill. Going to dump our hooker hose on there to dump our black and gray water tanks. The levers to dump those two tanks are located here. This one here is our city water connection, cable TV connection. Hook our shore power cord in there. The propane tank. And last but not least, we have the Cummins Onan 2800 gasoline generator. This is a newer generator than what would have originally been in there based on the styling of this. So this has been replaced at some point in the life of this motorhome.